Right now, digital information flows continuously and instantly across the globe. You can securely send a heavy, encrypted video file to another continent in milliseconds. But try moving money across that same border. You immediately run into business hours, manual compliance checks, and cross-border settlement delays that take days to clear. Those delays exist because our current banking architecture was designed around human behavior and human schedules. We are operating a 21st century, highly optimized data network on top of a 20th century human speed banking grid. That friction is becoming an acute problem because the newest participants entering the global economy are entirely non-human. This chart tracks the expected exponential growth of these new participants. By the year 2030, the number of connected Internet of Things devices passes 30 billion, arriving alongside an AI software market projected to exceed $50 billion. These devices and AI agents operate 24 hours a day. They execute complex tasks in milliseconds, and they demand continuous network connectivity. They cannot physically operate on those friction-heavy legacy financial rails. If we don't build a different infrastructure, we are heading straight toward a massive bottleneck, where machines have the capacity to think and act, but no ability to transact. The solution is a machine-to-machine or M2M ecosystem. In this network, software, smart physical devices, and AI agents communicate and trade value autonomously. We already see early physical examples of this in the real world. Autonomous vehicles instantly paying smart tolls, local energy grids balancing supply, buying a neighbor's excess solar power. In the digital realm, this looks like AI agents autonomously purchasing server compute power or pinging an API, an application programming interface, to buy access to a specific real-time dataset. This split-screen comparison shows exactly how M2M alters the mechanics of commerce. On the left, a standard human purchase is a single, large block of value. On the right, machine commerce is a continuous stream of thousands of sub-cent microtransactions executing every minute. Traditional banks structurally fail at this scale. A standard 30-cent processing fee from a legacy institution completely engulfs a micropayment worth a fraction of a penny. When the unit of value shrinks to a tenth of a cent, but transaction volume explodes into billions, the basic math of traditional finance shatters. To bypass this broken math, developers are turning to blockchain and cryptocurrency, stripping away the speculative hype to use them strictly as an engineering necessity. Instead of viewing cryptocurrency as consumer cash, developers treat it as an API-native architecture built specifically for digital systems. Chain ledgers offer borderless value transfer and true round-the-clock uptime. They process programmable micropayments efficiently without routing through an external clearinghouse. This schematic demonstrates trustless execution, a system requiring no human middleman. Here, an AI node and a server node execute a direct peer-to-peer swap. The packet of data moves left simultaneously as the micropayment token moves right, balanced perfectly by a self-executing smart contract. Cryptocurrency is the internet-native architecture required for the machine economy to function. As these complex networks mature, autonomous machines will soon surpass humans as the single largest drivers of daily transaction volume. You can compare this shift to how we use the internet. You load a web page daily without needing to understand the underlying TCP/IP or HTTP protocols routing the data. This architectural stack graphic maps out that future. Everyday users will live exclusively in the brightly lit human interface and apps layer at the top. Beneath that, acting as an invisible digital liquidity layer, are the AI settlement systems and blockchain rails powering everything. While public attention remains fixated on crypto price charts and hype cycles, large institutions are quietly laying down this massive, automated settlement infrastructure. The global economy is expanding, and its future contains vastly more machine-to-machine transactions than human-to-human commerce. The early internet allowed humanity to route data instantly.